Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have such a great sale that I wanted to share with you where you can save 75% off. I love sharing these deals, these sales with you. And if you've been watching my channel for some time, you would know that I am a huge fan of Fabfitfun. This video is very generously sponsored by Fabfitfun. Fabfitfun is my favorite subscription because unlike these other beauty subscription boxes where you just get a bunch of random tiny samples, Fabfitfun is the only subscription box where you can pick out the full-size products of your choice so that you can fully customize each quarterly box. And as a Fabfitfun member, I have access to their flash sales so I can purchase from my favorite brands at amazing discounts all year round. And the brands include all lifestyle products, not just hair care, skincare, makeup, but home, activewear, fashion, accessories. They just have so many great options that you can choose from to fit your lifestyle. Right now, they have their biggest flash sale of the year. It's called Fabfitfun Week, where you can save up to 75% off your favorite brands. And the sale ends on July 17, but it's only open to members. So if you're already a current member, you can go ahead and shop the flash sale. If you use my code HEATED25, you'll save 25% off your first box for a seasonal membership. But I prefer the annual membership. I just think it has a better value. If you sign up for an annual membership, you can use my code HEATED300 and receive a gift worth over $300 for an annual membership. I prefer an annual membership because you have first access to choose the products because sometimes they do sell out. With an annual membership, you also have first access to the flash sales and you have earlier shipping. Each season's box is valued up to $350, but again, if you use my code HEATED300, you'll also get a gift worth over $300. And you also get 25% off your first box, which knocks the price down to $52.50. I've already done a full unboxing sharing the summer 2024 Fabfitfun box. I went over every single choice and my ultimate picks for each category. Fabfitfun was very generous to send me a second box, so I basically got to choose my second choice options that I missed out on the first time. And again, right now during Fabfitfun Week, you can save up to 75% off. It's their biggest flash sale of the year. It's a great time to pick up some of the stuff you might have missed out on the first time around, or check out some new products that I think some of these were items that were available in past boxes they brought back, and you can grab them all at such a steep discount. So I'm going to share with you some of the items that I picked, the retail price, and what the sale price is right now. Starting off with a new pair of sunglasses from one of my favorite, kind of a contemporary brand. This is a brand called Key. It's based out of Australia. And as much as I love luxury designer sunglasses, especially for the summer when I'm doing very active things with my kids or if I'm in the water, I like to wear lower price, more affordable brands so that I'm not crying if it breaks or gets lost. But this is from Key. This is called the Dusk to Dawn sunglasses, and I chose this very pretty rose gold color. I just love the unique shape. I love the rose gold. I just think rose gold is very flattering. But this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, is that just so cool? I love these. This usually retails for $75, but right now during Fabfitfun Week, they are on sale for $49. They come with this great magnetic little case, and then you also get a convenient cleansing cloth. I like to keep sunglasses like these in my car, and then this is usually what I wear if I'm in the pool or just, at the beach, and I don't want to ruin my very expensive glasses. So great option from Key. I also picked out this brush set. This is from Sigma Beauty. It's the Essential Trio brush set. I chose the pink color, and I remember when this was an option in a recent box, I forget which season it was, but I chose something else, and I thought, this would be such a great little travel set because we have a lot of trips coming up this summer. This retails usually for $31, but it's on sale right now for $16.99 during Fabfitfun Week, and it's a great way to have some travel brushes in a little case. So here are the three brushes. If you're not familiar with Sigma Beauty, they have some of the softest brushes. So you have this great contour brush that you can use for powder, blush, or bronzer. You have an eyeshadow brush, and then you have this fluffy blending brush. So these are just the three essential brushes you need for a basic summer look, and it comes in this very convenient little travel case. Again, retail price is $31, but the Fabfitfun Week sale price is $16.99, so you get this almost half off. This is the Murad Clarifying Body Spray, and it's the full 4.3 ounce size. This is a retail value of $48, and I have such a personal attachment to this specific body spray. This is a clarifying body spray, and if you guys suffer from body acne, like acne, or if you get acne on your chest, this clears it right up. When I got married 10 years ago, it's our 10-year anniversary this summer, that summer, leading up to the wedding, I was working out all the time. I was working out constantly. I was, working my full-time job, and then I was working at, in the early evening, and then I would come home and I just would pass out. Maybe I would nap or something. Basically, I was working out and then I wasn't immediately showering right after. And I just got really embarrassing acne on my back, and my wedding gown was backless and I did not know what to do. So I just Googled, how to get rid of it. And this came up. And so my husband, my fiance at the time, he would spray my back with this after I would shower, and it cleared it up so quickly. And I just love this. So actually I was looking into getting this again because I noticed like some spots on my shoulders, and I'm so excited to finally have this. But it's such a great clarifying acne body spray. If you have it on your chest, if you have it on your back, try this out. It clears it up so fast. This next item I was so excited to see because I was surprised that they have full-on swimsuits at Fabfitfun. But I picked out this black swimsuit. It's called the Jaycelyn one piece in black. And I just love how sleek and slimming this is. I tried it on, it fits great. It's just cut straight across. It has these adjustable straps. It has a nice, like decently full coverage. It is so hard to find swimsuits that have coverage on the bottom. I guess the trend these days is that it's very narrowly cut, and it's just not comfortable for me. I'm very active in the water. I have 3 boys, and we went to the beach last week and we took the kids out on a boat, also with our dogs. So I'm in the water swimming with my 3 boys, with my 2 dogs. I cannot be wearing stringy bikinis. I need a one piece to keep everything in, and so that there are no wardrobe malfunctions. But I just love the classic style of this swimsuit. It fits so well. It's very slimming. It has darting on the side there. So it just is so flattering. I think a lot of body types, I think this would be a great choice if you're looking for a one-piece swimsuit. So this swimsuit retails for $168, but the Fabfitfun week sale price is only $69.99. And then next up, I know it's still summer, but I always have an eye for the upcoming winter season. We have this Unhide Lil Marsh blanket with clips. So it's basically like an oversized blanket. It is this super soft, super luxurious feeling faux fur blanket, but it has these clips here. So you can wear it almost like a cape or like a cardigan over your shoulders, so it's not always falling off. I just love to be super bundled up in the winter. And even sometimes in our home, my husband loves to keep the AC on. It's so cold. And during our movie nights, I just like to cuddle up under a blanket even during the summer. So this is such a great option. I know my kids will be fighting over this. This usually retails for $69, but it's on sale during the Fabfitfun sale for $29.99. And then from one of my favorite skincare brands, I chose the Innisfree Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Serum. I love how soothing and calming and hydrating all Innisfree products are, and specifically their green tea collection. I have the green tea eye serum. It's like an eye roller ball. So I had to get the matching green tea hyaluronic acid serum to try. I don't know if I've tried this before, but all their products are so soothing. I have combination skin, so I like to make sure that it works well for like all areas. This serum is meant to hydrate and get your skin glowing, so I'll try it out and show you the formula. Their skincare always absorbs very quickly, and it smells great. This one smells like very earthy and fresh. So I'm very excited to try this out along with the matching green tea eye roller that I have. This usually retails for $30, but it's on sale during the Fabfitfun flash sale for only $9.99. Next up, I chose a very practical item that I know I'll get a ton of use out of. I got a pair of these grippy socks. It's from the brand Gaiam. It's a well-known activewear brand, but it has these really nice elastic top straps and then this grippy bottom. I love working out, and I usually prefer workout classes, either yoga, bar, or Pilates. And a lot of times you are barefoot or you have to wear a pair of grippy socks, like if you're on the reformer and stuff. So I will get a ton of use out of this. These usually retail for $16.99, but they're on sale from the Fabfitfun flash sale for $12. And then I got a new fragrance from Skylar. This is called Lavender Hills. I love lavender, and I love other fragrances from Skylar. I actually own a few. I think I have Peach Fields, and I also have this Vanilla Sky. Lavender Hills is described as a romantic, fresh floral with notes of French lavender, freesia, and amber. So like a warm lavender floral. And I like that it's a roller ball. Roller balls are great for refreshing your fragrance throughout the day, especially if you're traveling and you don't want to get your spray everywhere. You just kind of update your pulse points on your neck, behind your ears, on your wrists. And this smells so fresh and florally and warm. Lavender fragrances are really nice to wear at night. It's very calming and soothing. And it's such a great price. All these Skylar travel size fragrances retail for $30, but during the Fabfitfun week sale, you can get it for $10.99. And then I picked out a set of drinkware. This is from Lily Pulitzer, and it's this really pretty blue color with this really cool summery design. It looks almost like water droplets on the glass. My kitchen is pretty plain in terms of like serving dishes and stuff. Everything is mostly white, but I do have some pops of color in blue. So I thought this would go very nicely. Lily Pulitzer can be pretty pricey, but again, during the flash sale, a lot of this stuff you can get for up to 75% off. And then the final beauty skincare fragrance item I picked out goes perfectly with one of the products I picked out during my last Fabfitfun box, and it is the new Vacation Classic Lotion with SPF 50. This smells exactly like their vacation fragrance, which I had wanted for years, for so long, and I finally got it in the last box, but it is the Vacation by Vacation of Miami. This has notes of coconut water, coconut milk, bergamot, solar musk, banana, pineapple, pool water, swimsuit lycra, and sea salt. It smells so tropical and beachy, like a summer vacation. It smells like I got like a whiff of pina colada right there. And then you have the matching sunscreen to go along with the fragrance. So I love that it's SPF 30. I wear at least SPF 30 when I go out with the kids in the sun, the beach, the pool. Here it is. It doesn't leave a white cast. And by the way, guys, don't forget to put your SPF on the back of your hands. I always make sure I put SPF on my hands. It smells so good. It smells like pina colada. It smells just like the classic vacation fragrance. And now I have the matching vacation SPF lotion that I was able to pick up during the Fabfitfun week flash sale. All right, guys, that is everything that I picked out during Fabfitfun week. You can get all these items and more for up to 75% off if you are a Fabfitfun member. Again, you can use my code HEATED25 for a seasonal membership and save 25% off your first box, or you can go with my favorite, the annual membership, and use my code HEATED300 for a free gift worth over $300. Don't forget, with an annual membership, you can choose all the products. You have first access to your choices, so it's less likely to be sold out. You have early access to the flash sales and early shipping. I just think it's such a great value. And on top of that, you have early access to their biggest flash sale of the year. So let me know what were your choices for the summer 2024 box and what you plan on picking up on sale during Fabfitfun week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.